Daily Tagalog sentences for family. Mag-asawa sila. They're husband and wife. They're a married couple. Magkapatid sila. They're siblings. They're brothers. They're sisters. Mga kaanak mo ba sila? Are they your relatives? Mga pinsan ko sila. They are my cousins. Magpinsan kami. We're cousins. Sino ang panganay? Who's the oldest? Sino ang bunso? Who's the youngest? Ako ang panganay sa magkakapatid. I am the oldest among the siblings. Ako ang bunso sa magkakapatid. I am the youngest among the siblings. Ako ang nag-iisang apo. I am the only grandchild. Apat kaming magkakapatid. We're 4 siblings. Malaki ba ang pamilya mo? Is your family big? Medyo, 6 kaming magkakapatid. Sort of, we're 6 siblings. Masaya at maingay kung malaki ang pamilya. It's fun and noisy when family is big. Kamukha ko daw ang lola ko. I look like my grandmother. Magaling magkwento ang lolo ko. My grandfather is a good storyteller. Siya ang ikalawa kong bayaw. He is my second brother-in-law. Maganda at masipag ang hipag ko. My sister-in-law is beautiful and diligent. Maswerte ako sa aking mga biyenan. I am lucky to have my in-laws. Ako ang unang apo sa tuhod. I'm the first great-grandson. Si Peter ang paboritong pamangkin. Peter is the favorite nephew. Si Ana naman na pinsan ko ay pamangkin ng aking ina. Anna, who is my cousin, is my mother's niece.